So hit
Yep,
me with
that
your
sounds
top 2 tips for travel and sleep.
top 2 tips would be the most important thing for both travel and sleep is to be relaxed. I think anytime we have travel days, it is extremely stressful. Usually for moms, we're getting everybody ready. And so babies can really feel that energy and they feed off of us. So if we kind of lower our expectations and say if it's going to happen, it's going to happen. If it doesn't, it doesn't. The other thing is plan to start your travel around a little, maybe 45 minutes to 60 minutes before your baby or your toddler's scheduled nap time. When they're in the car, they're going to be looking at their surroundings a little bit. So we want to give them time to kind of relax and get their mind a little bit more ready to sleep. And they're not going to do that if we start right on time for their naps, unless it's a plane. If it's a plane, I always suggest try and schedule it as close to a nap as you can. If it, our job is to give them the tools to fall asleep. It's their job to take it. Sometimes, and I know you know this, no matter what we do, if they're not going to nap, it doesn't matter what we do.